guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So today this video is going to be about cleaning out my closet. I feel like I haven't done it in a long time, and I was supposed to do it, but I just never got to it. A lot of people have a hard time cleaning out the closet because we are all attached to our clothes. I don't know, I feel like we have reasons like, oh, I feel like I could fit this with this outfit and things like that, so we have a hard time removing stuff from our lives. So basically, I wanted to show you guys what my closet kind of looks like. Mind you, I just moved in a couple months ago, so it's not really fully set up yet. But if you look over there, so this is where I keep all my denim or all my pants and jeans, and then this is kind of like my outwear stuff, some of my bags, and then my t-shirts. I do have more clothes in other areas, but this is kind of like the area that I did want to show you guys. Before we do get started, I wanted to share with you guys the reasons why I want to clean out my closet. I just want to clean out my life, and to start with that, I want to start cleaning out my closet. Within the last year, like I mentioned, I did clean out a lot of my closet, but I still have many items that I don't wear. Like the main reason why I want to clean out is I want to be clean, and I want to provide more space for myself. And I think having a clear space gives you like clear thoughts and a clear mind to start working on other things or just working on yourself and things like that. Also, the other reason why is I do want to start saving more money and selling all my clothes. There's like a controversy over this. It's like some people are like, yeah, it helps you sell your clothes and save money and make money. But then other people believe that when you have a clean closet, it kind of justifies you going out and shopping more. So there's like those two contradicting thoughts. And then the last thing for me is I just want to start going full demon time, or like 100% of my emotions and time toward quality rather than quantity. I feel like I don't even have that many clothes as like a female. I know that sounds very like females have more clothes. That's not necessarily all true, but you know, like a lot of people say like, oh my god, you're a girl, so you can have a lot of clothes. But I really don't have many clothes, but I'm trying to go to the bare minimum, the essentials only. So I went ahead and kind of picked out a couple of clothing items that I don't wear anymore, rarely wear, or I don't have any reason to wear. My style changes season by season, so this doesn't really match up to like what I'm trying to look like in terms of like fashion and things like that. So I removed these from my closet departments, I guess. So for the first one, I removed this dress. This picnic dress I got from Urban Outfitters. I just never really wore it. I only wore it once for my graduation, and then I stopped wearing it. But it's really cute and perfect for the summer, but I never wore it this summer, so I knew like I probably won't ever wear this. For the next item that I for sure don't wear is this American Apparel sweater, this long sweater. It's in the size XL, so it's like oversized feel and look to it, but my boyfriend actually gave me this, and I never find a reason to wear, and I don't really like go for long cardigans anymore. So this I'll be putting up as well. Where are my earrings? I just found my earrings. So this is one of the sweaters that I will be selling. This is a Brandy Melville cardigan. I guess it's not really a sweater, but a cardigan, and I don't really wear this. And if I do wear it, I'm kind of tired of wearing cardigans now, like just like cardigan with like denim and Jordans. I feel like I was always wearing that outfit since, I don't know, like my earlier fashion days. I guess I'm really getting tired of just having that one look, and so I wanted to get rid of some of my cardigans. So this is one from Brandy Melville, and also some people I know do tie it in the front. For this video, I just wanted to keep it down, but this is how it looks. The other two cardigans actually is this black cardigan. I think I really like this black cardigan because if you look carefully, like the buttons are kind of inverted, so it kind of gives you like this cool look or like a finish to it. And I don't know, I don't know exactly where I got it, but it's a Korean brand, and the quality of this cardigan is really nice. This one isn't too like cropped where it stops at the waist. It kind of goes a little bit below, but I kind of like it because it gives you like this baggy look. The other cardigan I have here is from Urban Outfitters. It's just this white one. I just don't wear it anymore, so I want to get rid of it as well. This is cropped as well, but I just like how the buttons are just 1, 2, 3, and the contrast of the buttons to the white. I really like these kind of looking buttons. Really cute. But this is how it looks. Denim jacket that I showed you guys earlier in my closet is gonna look like this on me. I'll show you guys. So this denim I will be selling only because, I mean, I really like it. I really like this denim actually, but I just never wear it, and I feel like I could find a home where somebody can wear this bad boy out all the time instead of me hoarding it in the closet and just stealing of its special powers. Somebody please go and cop this denim jacket. It's really cute. I haven't set the prices yet, and I will be setting the prices on my Depop, which will be down in the description box. So this is the second denim jacket that I will be selling. It is distressed like I mentioned before, but the one thing that is different about this one and the previous denim jacket that I just showed is this one does have like a loose sleeve, which I kind of like the baggy sleeve look to it, and it is a little bit shorter and it is more distressed. Also, it is lighter, but I feel like this is really cute with like high-waist mom jeans. I swear, every time I see myself in the clothes I want to sell, I'm just like, it kind of looks cute. Maybe I should just keep it. I mean, maybe I should, but the main reason why I wanted to film myself actually cleaning out my closet is to like be like to follow up with my actions, because I feel like somebody needs to watch me do it in order for me to like fully let go. But anyway, this is how this one looks. The last kind of like cardigan sweater type beat is this olive kind of hoodie sweater from Out From Under. So this is from Urban Outfitters as well. I think this was my sister's and she gave it to me, or she just left it and I'm selling it. So if you're watching this, sister, sorry. But yeah, this is another one. And then the last two is this black from AMERICAL jacket. I really like the crazy zipper button action going on. There's just like so much shit going on. Never ended up wearing it because it's cropped, as you can see. I wish it was kind of like oversized maybe, but never had a reason to wear this. I think I literally only wore this once or none at all. Like I don't really remember wearing this at all, but it's pretty much brand new. This is actually already up on my Depop if you guys wanted to check it out. I like the quality of this jacket for sure. I think I got this jacket for like a little over 100 because AMERICAL is pretty pricey when it comes to their items, but I'll be selling this for $80. And then this is the last and final item that I picked out. It's just a kind of like button down long oversized blouse. It's like a button down oversized blouse that I thrifted actually, so I will also be selling this. But I like the little fabric. Like if you look closely at the material, it's kind of soft, but satin at the same time. But yeah, it's kind of oversized, so it's nice. You could wear it over like a tank top or like a swimsuit or anything, whatever your choice. So that was it for my cleaning out my closet. I know it's barely any things, but if you guys kind of look down at my closet, like right down here is like literally all this is clothes that I kind of have on my Depop already, and clothes that I will be taking pictures of hopefully in the future, but I just haven't gotten to them, but I should. But thanks so much for stopping in and watching my cleaning out closet type video. These will be up on my Depop, so if you guys want to check it out, you can click on the link in the description box. I'll be linking my Depop as well as all my other socials. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Just click that subscribe button and come back again, because my next video will be a bag collection. If you can see, I have so many bags. Like I have more, so I'll also be selling those eventually. So yeah, come back again. Okay, bye.